I've taken a couple of shots last night, and I did flat with, you got it, pure video and regular video mode. And here we are today with the Insta360 X6. I have checked my settings. I'm on high bit rate now. I'm on 4K 30. I'm on with matrix. I have jitter-free blur reduction set on, and I'm on EV -0.7, and sharpness low. I believe I covered everything in there, and I set it to Pro. Now, that's how I shoot most of my time with the Ace Pro 2. I shoot with other cameras as well, like the Action 5 Pro, and the Extra Edge Pro will be set up that way shortly. And my Insta360 Luna Ultra and the X6, and hopefully we'll see an Ace Pro 3 soon. Wonderful cameras these are. A lot has changed in the camera. They changed the name for single lens to flat, and if you're looking for the field of view de-warped to super wide, it's a little difficult to find, but it's right there. I am zooming in, as you can see, and I am trying to zoom out, and not that easy to do at all. I could flip it around, and you can see the kind of adjustments there. And you press a button on the thing, and you press on it. It says 0.7, 0, and 2. Not that easy for me. I recently got myself an Insta360 free framing selfie stick, and the vertical mount does fit the camera, but the free frame selfie stick, all it will be is a selfie stick. It won't be able to be used for the X6. It's not compatible today. They have a 2-in-1 with the remote that has the little miniature gimbal type thing and a record button and the adjustment. It's a foldable 2-in-1, and that's where we have to go in order to get to use a gimbal type stick. Big fingers, man, you're gonna have fun. And I'm using my thumb, and let me tell you, it's not that easy. And the first thing I am trying to get done is to switch the screen. Yep, and it wouldn't do it. Hit record, and finally the screen did what I had to do. In a way, not in all that order, but it's not that easy with the touch sensitive as you think it is. And that is why I would want the free frame selfie stick to work, so I don't have to touch the sensitive screen. Well, maybe the remote control would be something that will help, but it's not going to flip. But I am trying to use this as a flat 3-in-1 camera for now, as a vlogger's camera, and I'm doing pretty good with it. It's not like the Ultra, not at all, but the quality is. It is a camera for me to learn and take my time to learn, and I'm not learning pretty fast. Will I master it? I don't know. Am I happy that I got it? In a way. Would I say, is it worth getting? I don't know. Should I keep my X5? Definitely not selling it. Now, I would tell you this. It is an excellent camera. If you have an X5, should you go to an X6? I would probably say I will hold off on it. Do you really want a touch-sensitive screen? That's the only thing that, I feel that is a little bit of not a love for me. I'm only saying that now, inside, thinking out loud to a camera, to you. I think I'm going to go switch on over so I could do free frame 2.0. So it could be tracking me. So double press on the screen, it'll track me so I could hold out the stick and get a 360 shot in 4K 30 MP4. And that is something that I am happy that this updated, because you could take your 1080p and upconvert it. Nobody's gonna know. Now they have a new LED underneath, and I'm using a aluminum selfie stick that my sister gave to me. She didn't love it. It's like an octagon shape, and it don't flex, and that's perfect for this camera. But I can't see if that LED indicator light's on because the bottom base is a little bit thicker, rounder in diameter than the camera, so it blocks it. So that's what you have to keep in mind. But it is a great idea of what they did with the LED indicator on the bottom. But I tell you this, they put the vibration, it goes through the stick. And that is what I like about the camera. Yes, the sun is coming up. And if you can, kind of like, look at the sky. I'll go down a little bit. You can see the cloud formation and the color. This is 10-bit today. It's got Dolby Vision, which is HDR. It's like DJI renaming their and that was shocking. I will say this. I think I may have bought my last camera. I may have 1 or 2 cameras to buy. And it'd be the Ace Pro 3, and it'd probably be the Extra Muse 2 Pro. And I am more or less got what I need. Don't really need to have another camera. I am happy and contented with what I have. But to keep up with the times, that's what you do. You buy a new camera because, oh look, there's an updated camera. We all went through this with GoPro. Remember the times that we went to the next model? All it did was give us 4K 30 to 4K 60. E-Technology also did the same thing. And we went from 4K 30 to 4K 60. We had a USB port that gave us external audio. I am here capturing the sunset as we slowly pan. I'm on 0.7x. I want to get this to 0. And I'm pressing and I can't get it to 0. I got to slide it. And there we go. We got to 1.0 the way it's supposed to be. And trying to get fish for bait to go fishing. Swimming early in the morning. And the pigeons are feasting. And you hear all the traffic going. Now that is a beautiful shot. I figure I'll stand here in 360 and put up a video in 8K. Give it about a minute's time in regular video. And then I'll switch on over to iLock. And I put these 2 clips in the zip folder. So if you're interested in the video, if you want to edit and see what it's all about. This is iLock 8K 30 360 degree video. What we'll do our best is to put one up, also compare it to standard vision. And you could come and edit, do what you like. Pigeons are flying right overhead. Beautiful shot indeed. Let's switch on over. This is iLock 8K 30 360 degree video. What we'll do our best is to put one up, also compare it to standard vision. And you could come and edit, do what you like. Pigeons are flying right overhead. Beautiful shot indeed. I left it on Dolby Vision. I don't know if you're going to have color over here to see the depth and all that good stuff. HDR. So this way, I went out, did what I had to do, got my shots and all. And hopefully you can enjoy the couple of samples I give you. And off we go. I am not hitting the record button in full. You can set the whole screen up as your record button. And I know this is not going to be my vlogger's camera because of the two lenses, how they protrude out. And the problem is, if you put the camera down, you can replace the lens if they scratch. And that's the thing why I love action cameras better. So here we are, we're by the water. I could definitely do some water shots in 360. The camera's waterproof, yes indeed. The sprinklers are going. Well, in single lens mode, all you're doing is looking down. That's about it. You gotta get off a single lens and do 360 if you got a 360 camera, sis. I'm on the highest frame rates possible. Single lens, 4K, 120. You're slow-mo. And let's not forget 5K 60. What this camera's all about. I wanted to switch on over to the aspect ratios, and all we have is 16:9, 9:16, 4:3, 3:4, and no 2:35:1. Now we had 2:35:1 in the other camera. We don't have that in the X6. Maybe in future firmwares, what we want, maybe we'll see, but we're not going to get. If you don't get, then that's where the X5 shines as the winning camera. Now 1.1 sensor, or 1.128 sensor, that's a choice you have to make in the color. Is it worth getting a larger sensor camera? Or is it worth just keeping the camera you got and all the accessories that you have? You have to think hard. And no, the batteries won't fit. But you got a different door that now opens and closes like a real car door. And then having a slip-in battery. Those are the differences. I kid you not, people. I'm touching my screen, not like this at the very leading edge. I'll see if I remember to get home to put a PIP in, or an actual show, or what I do. Well, I went out and I accomplished, and I got a single lens, flat lens fish, video, vlog, and I threw in some extras, 360, and all that good stuff. I even hooked up the Insta360 Mic Pro. Turns you on, no problem. So I do have a problem with Insta360 Luna Ultra that is not waking up when it's supposed to in the off. And Insta360 has gotten back to me, and they again apologize for not addressing all my issues. And now we're going to work on the next step while the first issue is being addressed. Well, I am Fish, and thank you very much for coming along, and hope to see you on many other videos. Am I going to be making non-stop X6 videos? No. Am I going to be using the camera some of the time? Yep. And it is what it is, man. Enjoy what you got and what you get. And don't worry about what others do and have. If you're looking for one and you want something done, just ask the Fish. I'll be more than happy to help out. I gotta go meet up with Joe. Oh, you're gonna crack up in that one. I'll see you on the next one. That is. Oh, can it be a bike video for me with the clamp I got, the double jaw system that is rock solid? Nope. You sure can. as long as I put 2 clamps down and make it solid like this. And that stops those shakings. That's it for now, people. I'm out of here.